Introduction of Operation Management. Name of the company. The proponent decided to make the Churros Enterprise as our company name because of its uniqueness, simplicity, and nature. Churros is our priority product that customers can buy. This company name can help the customer to identify the business name easier for any complaint or compliment. Second, nature of business. The purpose of this business is a manufacturing business that will use raw material to make our finished product, the churros. The proponent decided to offer churros of which this product is made from the squash as raw material. As a new entrant in this business, the proponent will serve as the manufacturer of the product. However, raw material or supplies needed are brought in no particular supplier. Executive summary. The Churros Enterprise is this dessert specialty store that will provide you with the sweetness of life and cherish your day with tastiest churros that you have ever tasted. Our vision, by the year 2021, the Churros Enterprise will be one of the known companies that offer churros and will continuously offering health yet affordable food products. Our mission are to provide and produce healthy yet affordable food that can help lessen malnutrition problem in society and to be more productive and successful in the business. Our objective, first, to create a new food variety. Second, to produce nutritious and delicious food. Third, to help solve malnutrition in society and more. Organization structure. The Churros Enterprise was an organizational structure based on function in the organization. The firm is divided into CEO or Chairman, General Manager, Management and Operation Department. Product or service offer. The Churros Enterprise is an establishment that produces and sells churros. Churros are fried until they become crunchy and may be sprinkled with sugar. The surface of a churros is rigged due to having been tipped from a churrera, a stringy-like tool with a star-shaped nozzle. Churros are generally prism in shape and may be straight, curled, or spirally twisted.
In my part, I want to present the strategic decision of operation management. The first strategy is design of goods and service. Product decision is the desired product features that needs to be specified and determined. For example, our product reviews size, weights, branding, quantity and quality of different components for use in product manufacture and general product structure. The Churros Enterprise has identified the ingredients for making the recipe and how much is needed to prepare the product according to the demand. Product strategy options are also referred to the various activities to be undertaken to facilitate low cost and efficient delivery of service. The Churros Enterprise uses a differentiation method that also receives order online by simply calling the number. The next strategy is managing quality. Quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that build on its ability to satisfy given needs. Quality management engages in four main areas such as quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, and also quality improvement. The Churros Enterprise want to get the highest quality of its ingredients to produce the best product compared with competitors. Total quality management of the Churros Enterprise encompass quality of serving, quality of input materials, quality of processing, and quality to produce support. Quality control and inspection of the Churros Enterprise hope to ensure the correct materials and parts are used with precision. The churros enterprise will build a good image for the production of good quality bakery product throughout Malaysia with the policy. Thank you.
My name is Mohamad ADNAN BIN MANSOR. My message number is A19A0319. I will present about process and capacity. Process and capacity is the process of determining the production capacity required by the organization, what is working to meet the demand for a product produced. Therefore, in terms of capacity, planning it is the maximum amount of work that an organization can achieve in a given period of time. The maximum amount of work an organization can achieve in a given period due to factors such as quality issue, delays, and handling of materials is effective capacity. Therefore, the churros enterprise is one of the business selling a popular churros type today. The churros was stabilized by several partners. There are several types of flavor sauce made. Among them, a chocolate flavor, pandan flavor, strawberry flavor, and several other flavor type. The products we produce use our recipe. Among the ingredients used to make churros, flour, eggs, sugar, vanilla, antipathy, and more according to the type produced. Next is the location strategy. Business today is one of the most well-known and highly regarded employment branch. Various business run by human want to profit from it. However, business activities are incomplete if the location of the business is not emphasized. The location of the business is very important in the business as it can determine some of our business factors such as the cost and amount of revenue we will earn. The best business location will bring many benefits to traders such as a large number of customer visits and convenience to go over and over again. The location of the business should be emphasized according to a specific area. Such a business involving production areas such as factoring or small and medium introduce industry most suitable to be carried out in rural areas, areas far from public areas. This is because business like this contribute to air pollution if not properly controlled.
Next, for the layout strategy, the main objective of layout strategy is to develop effective and efficient layout that will meet the firm competitive requirement. This layout is a key decision to determine the long-run efficiency of operation. So as a strategic implication, because it establishes an organization competitive priorities regarding to the capacity process, flexibility, cost as well as the quality work life. This effective and efficient layout can help the organization to get and achieve a strategy that support the differential and low cost or response. So in the layout strategies, there are many types of layout. So first one is office layout, retail layout, warehouse layout, fixed position layout, process orientation layout, work cell layout, and product orientation layout. And for the cafe, for environment from the time to time is significant. So the important thing is technician and maintenance crew department also to assist designer department to implement what they want and need. For the marketing department, is the main role of the co-planning of marketing activities and branding per quarter is important. So for the result, we use an office-based layout for our cafe, the Churros Enterprise. So for the overall layout design, there have an advantage for the tourist enterprise because it have a good layout to reducing bottlenecks for the customer moving to avoid the accidents. So this can help people work very safely. Next, for the human resource and job design, the main objective of human resource strategy is to manage labor and design jobs so people are effectively and efficiently utilized. So human resource are the set of people who make up the workforce in an organization, business sector, industry or economy. So human resource department of the tourist enterprise need to have more recruit and train employees to improve their skill to develop the tourist enterprise. So other than the motivation is the set to force the individual behavior. Employee performance depends on motivation, ability and work environment. So for the next one is the quality of work life is also important for worker overall well-being and satisfaction. And also employees need to productive and the staff at the tourist enterprise need to do some schedule for the employees to use every day and scheduling to hire part-time employees for the high demand. So last is the tourist enterprise need to be more effective to get the hard worker to develop the cafe. That's all for me. Thank you.
The objective of supply chain management is to coordinate activities within the supply chain to maximize the supply chain's competitive advantage and benefit to the ultimate consumers. First, supplier. Supplier is one term used to describe external organization that deliver service or goods to a buyer. The tourist enterprise requires suppliers to supply raw material such as flour, cooking oil, cooking ingredients, and so on. Next is manufacturing. Manufacturing required to accept raw material, manufacture the product, quality test, the package for shipping and schedule for delivery. At the supply chain manufacturing stage, the tourist enterprise convert raw material into products. Besides that is distributors. The level of distribution involves the transfer of product from the store to where the consumer is located. For example, the tourist enterprise can sell its goods directly to consumer through its factory store and website. Lastly, final customer. The final customer is the final stage of the supply chain. The tourist enterprise can promote the product provided in various ways. Next is inventory management. The objective of inventory management is to strike a balance between inventory investment and customer service. The four types of inventory most commonly used are raw material, work in progress, WIP, finished goods, and maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO. First is raw materials. The ingredient needed to turn the tourist enterprise into finished product are raw materials. For example, flour and eggs are main material for the tourist enterprise. Second is work in progress, WIP. The tourist enterprise make and produce churros from the store and package for sale to customer. Next is finished goods. Finished goods are complete product and ready to sell. The tourist enterprise is a shop that sells and produce churros from the store. Lastly is overhaul, MRO, also known as maintenance, repair, operating supplies, repair and overhaul, MRO, is about small details. For example, the churros enterprise supplies such as paper, pens, computer systems, and all items that are consumed or discarded during the production process.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is MOHAMAD bin YUSOF. My metric number is A1980974. Today I will talk about scheduling. So about scheduling, the scheduling is the process of arranging, controlling and optimizing work and workloads in a production process or manufacturing process. Scheduling is used to allocate plant and machinery resources, plan human resources, plan production processes and purchase material. So next we go to the objective scheduling. For the objective scheduling, we have maximize resources utilization, manufacturing time reduction, inventory minimization, optimizing efficiency of labor, service level improvement, increasing profits and outputs. For the maximize resource utilization, most of the reason why this problem exists that there is no proper job plan and it will disrupt the production of our products. In addition, less trained human resources and managers need to ensure that staff are still sufficient to prevent the production process from interrupting the lead. So for the optimizing efficiency of labor, according to the set to a set timetable, we divide the duties into employees to help them make their job easier to do their part. For the service level improvement, the Churros enterprise make scheduling to improve the service level, not only the staff on the factory floor, but also the customer service personnel profit from an effective production schedule. So we go for the last part for scheduling. For the last part for scheduling is function of operation scheduling. For the first one is resource allocation. Next is sequence of jobs, start and end time of job, maximum utilization of plant, information on machines, shop floor control. For the sequence of job, the Churros enterprise is to decide the correct sequence of jobs that will be done on each resource. A common approach used is to group workers together to reduce the necessary amount of setup and changeover. So let's go to the start and end time of job. Scheduling operations would help the Churros enterprise businesses to see an improvement in the number of on-time deliveries and allow us to retain a competitive market advantage. So we go to the next part, which is maintenance. So for the maintenance, in industrial businesses, government and residential installation, maintenance involve functional inspection, servicing, repair or replacement of device, equipment, machinery, building structures and supporting utilities. This comprises several terms that explain various cost-cutting measures used to keep equipment running, which might be done before or after failure. Maintenance, repair and overhaul are terms to use describe maintenance duties, and MROs are sometimes used to describe maintenance, repair and operations. Equipment maintenance activity used such as electric fire by the Churros enterprise are always done to prevent unwanted incidents from happening. Therefore, maintenance activities are carried out according to aspects such as scheduled inspections, replacement of faulty fryer components and repair of faulty equipment parts. So for the maintenance of the fryer is very important to ensure its ideal operating condition and conservation.
For conclusion, our business will continuously make a concentrate on the business strategies, especially in terms of operation and marketing, to ensure that the business is well known to the customer. We hope that we will be able to build a good loyal customer base every year. Thank you.